Today we will see the numericals on electric field or electric dipole. Let's see first numerical. At +2 nanocoulomb. Nanocoulomb means 10 raised to power minus 9. Charge is placed at a distance r from a -8 microcoulomb charge. See, micro means 10 raised to power minus 6. This is -8 microcoulomb charge. This is +2 nanocoulomb charge, and distance between the center of these two charges is r. Then if the charge experience the force of 400 Newton, means the force acting on this charge due to this charge, that is 400 Newton. What is the electric field intensity E at the point P? Means we have to find out the electric field at this point. So at this point the electric field will be due to this charge. Now how to take out the solution? First, we note that the direction of E is towards -q because negative charge applies an electric field towards itself. So this is the direction of electric field. Now let's apply the formula and calculate the electric field. Electric field is equal to force upon charge. So force is 400 Newton. Now what charge you have to keep, this or this? This one, because we have to find out the electric field of this charge on this. So we will divide this force by this charge. So divided by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 9. So the electric field E is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 12 Newton per coulomb in downward direction. Note, the field E would be the same for any charge placed at the point P. Means the field due to this charge is independent of any charge keeping at this point. Let's see another example. A constant E means electric field of 40,000 Newton per coulomb. Learn this unit. The unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb. Wherever it comes, keep reminding it is the unit of electric field. Is maintained between the two parallel plates. These are two parallel charge plates. It is negatively charged, it is positively charged. What are the magnitude and the direction of the force on an electron? Means you have to find out the magnitude as well as the direction of force on each electron. Passes horizontally between the plate. Means electron are trying to pass between the plate. Now, the E field or electric field is downward and the force on E is upward. Electric field is downward means the electric field travels from positive to negative. So the direction of electric fields is downward. But the force on negative charge will be upward, as I had discussed earlier. Now the E is equal to F upon Q. So F is equal to QE. So Q is the charge of electron and E is the electric field given. So F is equal to the charge of electron 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb into electric field, that is 4 into 10 raised to power 4. Now the answer of force acting on each electron will be 6.40 into 10 raised to power minus 15 Newton upward. Let's take another example. What is the electric field intensity E at a point P? This is point P. We have to find out the electric field intensity. At a distance of 3 meter, this distance is 3 meter, from a negative charge of -8 nanocoulomb. Nano means 10 raised to power minus 9. So E, now here we will apply the formula. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. Instead of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, we will put K, and the value of K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9. So this is the formula of electric field at a point. E is equal to K Q upon R square. Value of K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Charge means due to what charge of field is to be calculated by this charge. 8 into 10 raised to power minus 9 divided by the distance R square. Now on solving, it will come 8.00 Newton per coulomb. The direction is the same as the force on the positive charge if it were placed at the point P towards -q. Means what will be the direction of electric field towards the negative charge. Let's see fourth example. Find the resultant field at a point A due to the -3 nanocoulomb charge and the +6 nanocoulomb charge. Arrange as shown. This is -3 nanocoulomb charge, this is +6 nanocoulomb charge. We have to find out the electric field individually as well as the resultant electric field. First see, the electric field due to negative charge will be upward, this is E1, and the electric field due to the positive charge will be in this direction. So first we will calculate E1 and E2, then we will find out the vector electric field due to these two. So let's see. We know very well E1 will be equal to K Q1 upon R1 square. Q1 is this. So E1 is the electric field due to this charge. K Q1 upon R1 square, and E2 is equal to K Q2 upon R square, R2 square. R1 is 3 centimeter and R2 is 4 centimeter. We will convert into meter. Now see, actually in this problem, this is not centimeter. Put it in meter. Okay. Now it is in meter. So E1 is equal to value of K is 9 into 10 is to power 9 into 3 into 10 is to power minus 9. This is the charge divided by 3. It is meter, not centimeter. And E2 is equal to 9 into 10 is to power 9 into 6 into 10 is to power minus 9 divided by 4 meters square. Now, sign of the charges are used only to find the direction of electric field. Means there is no need to put the negative and positive sign in this. Now, these we had discussed. E1 is equal to this and E2 is equal to this. Now, on solving, E1 will be equal to 3 Newton. Sorry, it is Newton per meter, and E2 is equal to 3.38 Newton per meter. Okay. Now, next we find the vector result ER. Means we have to find out the vector electric field due to E1 and E2. Let's see, this diagram is carried to here. E1 is this, E2 is this. Then resultant electric field E, because the angle between these two electric field is 90 degree. Then the resultant electric field E is equal to under root E1 square plus E2 square. It is E1 square plus E2 square. Correct it. It is E1 square. It is E2 square. And the angle tan phi is equal to E1 upon E2. Learn this formula. Then on solving it, E1 is this, E2 is this. Correct the unit. Okay. Now E1 and E2, we have keep the on keeping the value, the resultant electric field will be 4.52, and the direction tan phi is equal to 3.38 divided by 3. So the phi is equal to 48.4. Sorry, it is E actually, and it is theta 131.6 degree. So this is the electric field, the resultant electric field, and the direction is 131.6 degree.